Selling your car in New Jersey? Here's exactly how to sign your title the correct way. This is your New Jersey Certificate of Ownership issued by the Motor Vehicle Commission. You fill everything out on the back, in the seller's section. Use blue or black ink, print clearly, and don't cross anything out or use whiteout. Erasures void the title. Step 1. Sign on the seller's signature line in the Seller Sign Here box and fill in the date of odometer statement. If there's a co-owner on the title, they sign the matching line to the right. Step 2. The odometer. In the statement at the top, write your current mileage where it says the odometer now reads whole miles only, no tenths. Federal law requires this for vehicles less than 20 model years old. Step 3. Hand print your full name on the seller's name line in the Seller Sign Here box, exactly as it appears on the front of the title. Step 4. Fill in the date of sale and the sale price. New Jersey uses the sale price for sales tax, so enter the real amount. If there's a lien on your title, the lien holder has to release it before you can transfer ownership. Any new lien holder gets recorded on the lien holder lines. The one thing New Jersey sellers can't skip? Your plates. In New Jersey, the plates stay with you, not the car. If you're not moving them to another vehicle, turn them into the MVC for cancellation. And remind your buyer, they have to transfer the title within 10 working days or pay a penalty.